Hello everyone, I am Sai and welcome back to my channel Sai Tech Korean. Today I'll try to do the battery overcharging prevention test on this Realme X7 Max 2. As you can see friends, so this is a Realme X7 Max. So let's see whether the phone has got any kind of mechanism to prevent the overcharging from happening. I'll try to test using this kind of USB digital tester as well, which is present with me. This will be able to detect the real-time readings, and even I'll try to use the applications as well to test the any power is actually going inside the phone or not after the 100% charge. That is what I'm going to do right now in the test using the Realme X1 Max smartphone, as you can clearly see friends. And this is a question which was asked by one of my subscribers, asking me to make a video on the battery overcharging prevention technique. As you can see friends, for a long time I'm getting this kind of message, but finally I thought of doing this kind of video today. And in case if you want more videos on the overcharging prevention technique, so try to search in the YouTube overcharge prevention Sai Tech Guru. You can find all my videos which I uploaded recently, Mi11X, AQ7 and OnePlus 9R comparison. So make sure to check that video. You'll get a clear idea friends what is the test I'll be doing. So let's get started. First let me try to connect the charger, so which I'll be using the default charger only. This is a default charger which I'm trying to use. Let me try to quickly show you. So this is a 65 watt charger from the SuperDot I'm trying to use. As you can clearly see friends, right now it says SuperDot charger clearly. Let me try to open the application, which is this one, so which will be showing you the real time how much the charging is taking inside the phone. That is what I'm trying to see. So normally if the overcharging mechanism is present in the smartphone, it should be able to detect full charge and it will try to show you completely full. It won't take any kind of power in this application. So I'll keep the phone side for some time just to make this 100% also completely full. Only then we'll be able to test. Let me try to connect the USB tester also. This will be really good test. So I'll try to connect the USB tester and we can see the real-time power, how much it's going as well right now. So right now you'll be able to see how much milliamperes it's going inside. So 1.2 milliamperes, 1.6 amperes as you can see, 0.96, 0.94. It's kind of close to accurate, but not that exactly. I'll try to keep the phone side for maybe for some time. Now the time is, I think I did correct around, let me try to quickly show you friends. The time is about 8:16. Again, I'll be back after some time, maybe after 5 minutes. Then we should be able to see the ampere should go 0. So only then that means we do have the overcharging mechanism prevention technique in this Realme X1 Max. That is what we can understand that. But right now as you can see that still it's charging, but let me try to keep it side. I'll try to keep it side for maybe for the next 5 minutes. So right now the time is about 8:17. Again I'll be back maybe 8:23 or something around that, and then we'll be checking again friends whether the overcharging prevention technique is there or not. The power should be completely gone to 0. That is how I did test the previous phones as well, and previous phones they were able to perform really great. IQ7, Mi11X and OnePlus 9R in terms of the overcharging prevention technique. And right now you should be able to see the battery amperes also start to decrease, 0.51 from 5.3 it decreased. And I did disable everything, no Wi-Fi, no mobile data, everything aeroplane mode, all background applications also cleared completely, so which won't even require the power as well right now. As you can see, it started to go below 50 as well right now. Slowly it started to decrease. So as I said, it takes some time. So some phones they take maybe 5 to 10 minutes of time to overcharge prevention technique to get start. So let's see, again I'll be back after a couple of minutes and then we can decide. As you can see friends, right now the average power also got decreased close to 40.40 as you can see amperes. So right now it's time about 8:20. So after I think close to 5 minutes of time, so this is how much the power got decreased. Again I'll try to give some time for this phone to completely neutralize this kind of amperes. So because I just want to see 0 amperes, so no power should go inside. That is what the overcharging prevention mechanism is actually works. So let me try to quickly open the application and let's see in the application what it says. So here in this phone it shows the charged. As you can clearly see friends, in the Realme X1 Max it shows completely charged, and in the application also it shows completely full. As you can clearly see, it's not taking any kind of power, as you can see friends, but some power is kind of slightly going into the phone. That is what annoying for me. If you watch different videos which are overcharging prevention mechanism videos, so try to search friends, definitely you can clearly understand, all the doubts will be cleared. Try to type in the YouTube overcharge prevention Sai Tech Guru. You'll get this kind of videos which I uploaded, overcharge prevention test. Try to watch this video, you will clearly understand. So in these videos which I did observe is that the amperes got completely to 0 as well. So in those mobile phones, but in the Realme X1 Max I was unable to get that. So I'll give some more time, so maybe more 10 minutes of time I'll try to give this phone separately, and let's see whether the overcharging mechanism is actually there or not. That is what I'm trying to check. So the application and the phone completely says it's not taking any kind of charging, any kind of charge, but here I can see some kind of power is going inside this Realme Xon Max device. But one more thing is that the power started to decrease gradually. As you can see right now it became 0.31, so maybe it requires some more time, I think. So now you can see the 0.28. I just want to see here 0 everything is 0 should be there. That is what the overcharging prevention mechanism is present. That's how we will get to know. So make sure to watch those videos, you will definitely understand 100%. So again I'll be back after a couple of minutes, so maybe I'll be back after close to 8:30 of time. So I'm trying to give the phone close to 15 minutes, so to test whether this is working or not, this kind of theory. As you can see friends, right now we got exactly close to 8:30. So as you can see 8:30, so after 15 minutes of time, the overcharge prevention technique got activated. As you can see friends, right now it's not detecting much of the, it's not taking much of the amperes, but still it's taking little bit of power. You can see little bit, 3 and 4 and 5. So normally in the other smartphone which I did observe is that it used to be completely flat zero for continuous time. It should not be like this, increasing and decreasing. It should not be like that. So it should be like this, completely flat. As you can see friends, it's completely flat, and again it's taking a little bit kind of power. So that means when you try to charge your mobile phone, if you keep like that for the overnight, then definitely it will be able to take little bit kind of little power sometimes, but not that it's a huge power, just a small amperes in terms of the power, as you can see here. So that's good friends. Finally the 0 I did see in this phone. So overall the Realme Xon Max supports the overcharging prevention technique, so perfectly is working, but it takes some time to get activate. So maybe close to 15 minutes or 14 minutes, as you can see clearly. So this is a complete review friends on this Realme Xon Max, but still it's not staying exactly 0 as I wanted. So in other smartphones which I did see the 0 continuously non-stop for long times, not like this changing. So make sure to check those videos in case if you have any other doubts, and thank you for watching this video friends, and see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned. Bye.